We have a better look at the new Ioniq 5 from Hyundai, and you and I have been really interested in this car. I think this car has huge potential. Well, I don't need to tell you. You already know that. They're talking about some really cool technologies. It seems competitive. It seems like they kind of get it, like what this EV stuff is about and what people are looking for. I look at the design of the car.
Man, look at the rims.
I look at the design of the car, Will, and like I know this is going to be a relatively affordable car, which is important to note because they typically don't look cool. Relatively affordable cars typically don't look cool. This is going to be that car, and it's going to look cool, and it's going to look futuristic, but somehow, without looking over the top or like it's trying really hard, somehow they were able to walk that line.
Yeah.
If you go to the profile shots from the side down there, it looks kind of like an Audi maybe, sort of like one of those smaller Audi SUVs, but then it also kind of looks like a fast hatchback. It's just a really cool looking little car. But then I'm like, wait a sec, is it actually little? Because when you get to the interior shots, which is maybe the most interesting for me out of the bunch, the interior shots, look how spacious it looks in there. She's lying down, little leg rest. She's almost fully reclined.
She's taking a nap.
And I just love this interior. It's bright and airy and futuristic. 2 big displays in the front. Tons of leg room down there. And everything slides back and forward as we showed the last time we talked about this car. They put the teaser out. We got the official look at it now. I just love the fact they added those little pads for your legs in the front. And look at the curvature on the backrest, so it fits to the almost flat when it folds down on the rear seats. It sort of perfectly fits in there. Of course, you got lots of glass. Got the glass on the roof and all around you. And it's just something about the light tones that's taking off on the interior now. The light tones on the interior making it feel big. Well, they don't even want to call it an interior. They got a name for it, Will. It's like living space.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a living space, Will.
Yeah?
Don't you dare.
Well, you can live in there.
Yeah, don't call it an interior. All right? It's a living space. Anyway, the other exciting part and important part is the recharge capabilities. These are not going to be the most performance crazy vehicles. It's not really the target, man. You know, you're looking at, on the 72.6 kilowatt hour battery, you're looking at 0 to 100 km in 5.2 seconds. All right?
Okay.
So it's not breaking any speed records. But you know, with an electric vehicle, you're going to have some torque. It's going to But what I like is the recharge for the real utilitarian feature. The ability to turn, I think, 18 minutes. We talked about this before. Where is it? I think it was 18 minutes into 80% of the car's battery.
10 to 80 in 18 minutes.
From 10% battery to 80% battery in 18 minutes. I love this. That's important right there. And it's using both 400 volt and 800 volt charging infrastructure. DC fast charging at 350 kilowatts. There's one other thing to mention here. Oh, price. Here we have it. They haven't confirmed pricing, but it's expected to start at $30,000.
That's pretty good.
$30,000. Willie Doo just bought one.
This?
Willie Doo just bought one. Look at it.
Well, this or the Mach-E? What do you think?
Well, but a nicely equipped Mach-E, you're not paying $30,000.
No.
No way.
It is very nice too, but it looks similar, like in terms of the shape.
Yeah, they took a slightly. This one has a few more straight lines.
Yeah.
The Mach-E is a little curvier, particularly in the front end. But I'm telling you, I don't think you're getting a Mach-E for $30,000. I'm pretty sure you're not. Yeah, starting at $42,895.
Right.
So that's quite a difference. Now you could spec one of these Ioniq 5s up to around $40,000. Again, this is speculation at the moment. But yeah, you know what? It's funny. They have a similar shape, but yet different.
Yeah.
Interesting. Anyway, cool new cars coming out.